point, which is, how on earth you are able to achieve completing the course, okay, as well as solving those problems on Kaggle within 50 days, okay. What was your strategy like? The reason why I'm asking your strategy is, because of your strategy, a lot of other students would be able to get help. The technical help you got, but you also got a lot of networking with the other people.
First of all, to become a data scientist, we don't have to learn that depth of the programming. So we must have some basic skills.
Hello everyone, UB Patel here, and welcome to this new series which is going to be Hall of Fame. Okay, and in this series what we are going to be doing is we would be basically going ahead and interviewing our students who have achieved some feat, okay, some success in the data science space. Okay, and this is going to be the first video, and in this video we have got our first student. Okay, he's a very recent student, by the way. He just joined the data science mastery course 2 months back, or should I say less than 2 months back, and he has achieved a tremendous feat. Okay, the feat is in those 50 days of time, he not only managed to complete this entire course, okay, but he has now started doing the Kaggle program, okay, and he has achieved, and he has, last time when I had a discussion, he had basically solved 20 plus data science problems on Kaggle with a higher accuracy. Okay, so we have got Dhanush with us in the call today. Welcome Dhanush, and first of all, congratulations on your achievement. Okay, you have done a tremendous, something that even I was not able to do when I was there. I was learning data science. Okay, back then it took me a long time. It took me around 6 months of time to do this, and you have achieved this in such a short span of time. So first of all, congratulations on this. Okay, as a mentor, as a guru, you always want your student to go more way ahead than where you are, right? And that's the real joy of being a teacher or being a coach or a mentor, right? So you have achieved that. So first of all, congratulations on that. I would like to start with, how do you feel, Dhanush? And can you give us a little brief about what you do, how you have come to know this, and how you have achieved this, and how you feel now? Because previous to 2 months, you did not have any knowledge as to what is data science, okay, or even though you had, but you didn't know where to start. And now you are, going ahead on a global platform and solving those big data sets and big problems that everyone dream of solving. So over to you, Dhanush.
Thank you, sir, for having me here. First of all, I got interest in data science when I am in my engineering first year. So at that time, I want to learn data science. That, like, what is data science? What all concepts we have in that? So I was looking for the right platform which provides me the basics of the data science, and that of course Python language, which is most necessary for data science. So I was looking for a good platform which teaches me right from scratch. So I was in Coursera and Udemy also. I have been doing this, but what I observed in that is we should have some minimal knowledge on Python. Previous knowledge, we have to have some previous knowledge to go through that course. So I have in Facebook, I have saw this mastery course of yours, and first of all, I've been surprised that 14 days it's a free course. No one teaches free in that deep depth manner. So I thought of attending a 14 days course, and if I like the content, I thought of opting a paid mastery course. So in that way, I started my career in data science.
That's great. Just a small point, Dhanush. Your voice is little, feebling. So if you can keep your mic here, that would be better. So thank you, Dhanush. Thanks for this details. Okay. So can you brief the audience like who you are? Are you a student, or if you are a student, what do you do, right? And what is your aspirations like? Okay. Can you give us a brief? Because it is very important to understand that, because when you are achieving some success, okay, what is your background like? That is also very important, because a lot of people think that somebody has achieved this, could be he would be from a programming background previously, or he would be working in some company of that sort of thing, right? So in order to measure your success, it is very important to know from where you are, right? So can you brief us a little as to from which background you come and what you do currently?
Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech degree in Hyderabad. Like I'm a third year engineering student, and I'm from computer science background. So, we already have some programming knowledge in first 2 years of the BTech degree.
College, yeah.
Yeah. So from there on, I thought of improving my skills in data science and some machine learning algorithms.
Right, that's great. That's great. So, Ganesh, can you tell our audience like what are the top three skills or three things that you learned through this data science mastery course? Okay, because it is comprising of 8 modules, right? You know, 4 of which concentrates and focuses on the 4 fundamentals of the data science. The rest 4 are the supplementary and the bonus modules, right? So, what is the top three things that you know that was your takeaway, right, from this entire course? Can you tell our audience about it?
Firstly, to become a data scientist, uh, uh, we have to learn Python from scratch. So in this model, I can say the first best thing is the Python basics and advanced Python module. These two modules will help us to improve Python skills in data science. So second it's machine learning algorithms. Like it is divided into basic and advanced machine learning algorithms. And the third most best thing is a Kaggle mastery course, sir. Through the we have to portray our work somewhere. If we have to portray a skill somewhere, this is the best platform I have used, Kaggle. So in this course, there is a detailed explanation about Kaggle course, and there are also some course like peer networking that might be useful very well.
Correct. Correct. That's great. That's great, Dhanush. So thanks, Dhanush. Thanks for the detailed info on this. So just to connect the dots for our audience, since you come from IT background, right, and since you have done the programming, you found it very easy for you and convenient to understand those concepts, connect the dots. But let's say somebody from a non-IT background comes in, right, and he wants to opt in for this, and all the non-IT people have this concern in their mind is that since I don't come from IT background, I don't know programming, and that's the biggest fear that they have. So assuming that you would have been let's say you are a non-IT student and you join this particular course, would you find it easy for you to understand the programming concepts and then learn the Python? Would you have achieved the same success? I mean, considering the kind of granularity in which the course explains you the lot of concepts about the programming and stuff, do you think even if you were a non-IT professional or a non-IT guy, would you still have achieved or or got the similar success? What do you think about it?
Sir, first of all, to become a data scientist, we don't have to learn that depth of the programming. So we must have some basic skills. So for that, for our non-programming friends, this course offers a wonderful model that is C program basics. So first, if they join this course, first if they will go through that module, that programming basics module, and then they'll start from the Python basics. They can definitely cope up the skills of the Python, and they can go through the machine learning modules.
That's great. That's great, Dhanush. So let's say that's very wonderful, Dhanush. So let's say now you invested some amount in this particular course. More than the amount, it was the time, right? It was the time that you invested, right? Money 4,997 was nothing, right? Considering the value that it provides, right? So do you think investing in that particular course was a good decision? Because as a student, when I was also a student, I used to be afraid of investing in my learning, right? That was the mindset that I had, and I know almost 90% of the people around the world have a similar mindset, right? They don't invest on to their own learning. My life changed when one of my friends gifted me a book called The Rich Dad Poor Dad, in which they explain that the biggest asset in your life is you and your brain, right? The more you invest on your brain, on your learnings, the more faster you will grow, right? And that changed my entire life. Okay, so do you think the investment of 4997 that you did and the time then again that put in, was that worth it? And if yes, what is the kind of values that you have written? So some people say I've received 10x values, I've received 100x values, you know. So what do you think about it? How much of value that you have got? And what do you think about this perspective of investing on your own learning?
Yes, sir. This course is definitely worthful, sir, because complete from scratch to the end, for a data science mastery course in the price of around 5,000. It's nowhere actually. So right from it is completely right from scratch. It explained neatly, and also in student, you have explained the student's perspective, sir. Like if we feel if we come across this challenge, what to do, what like how I have solved. You have explained in that perspective. Like this would definitely help through the aspiring data scientists who are looking for this course. Like yes, sir. This is definitely worth course. Worth of.
Right. And what is the value that expecting? Like some people say that, you know, I have put in 5,000 rupees. So like at least I should get 100 times, which is 5 lakh rupees return out of it, right? Some say 550,000. So what is that value that you see? 10x, 5x, 50x, 100x. What is that value that you see through this course, through this program?
So yes, sir. I can say we'll get 100x values definitely, because once if we complete this whole mastery course and we opt for like freelancing or for any internships in any company, definitely to take example in freelancing around many people are opting their full-time job as a freelancing data scientist. They are earning like up to 4 to 5 lakhs a month. Definitely this course is like 100x times it's giving money we paid to this course.
Right, that's correct. So tell us about the community that we have got. You know, you and a lot of other students are part of WhatsApp group. Some of you guys are a part of the Facebook community as well, because you guys need a support, right? Because when you learn something, okay, you obviously tend to come across some doubts, right? And that is the reason why we have created this Facebook group, WhatsApp group as well, you know. So how did you find the support overall? Do you think that it was good enough for you to, you know, have any issue, and whenever you had any issue, you were able to solve that immediately, right? Or what about the community that you have, okay, on the WhatsApp and the Facebook group? Can you give us a little brief on that?
Yeah, I had a pretty good support from the WhatsApp group, sir, because if anytime I was stuck in the middle of the solving any machine learning any question or like that, I used to post that screenshots where I got error, and I used to get a good support at least by one day. At least by one day, your team has been being supported me very good like that, and also I have texted them personally. So they have introduced me to LinkedIn world, and they have given me good blogs of the which all companies are offering freelancing data scientist as well as full-time data scientist.
That,
So that helped me very much, sir,
that's great. So
from the
yes.
community.
Yeah, so you are saying that not only the technical help you got, but you also got a lot of networking with the other people who are like-minded and who knew more than what you knew already, and that helped you achieve, you know, a greater success.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
That's fantastic, and that's the whole purpose of the community. So all my audience today who are watching, you know, the reason why we create the WhatsApp group is, you know, to share the knowledge. Whenever we get stuck, okay, we can post it over there, and there are other 250 people on the WhatsApp group who have been through this, right? And on that group you have got some of the mentors as well who have been working as a data scientist, right? And those people will help you, right, whenever you will get stuck. I am also there on that group when others are not able to help, right? Many of times it happens that before I see that and I can reply to that, the other people in the community have already solved that, right? So that's the beauty. We all grow together, and that's the whole funda, right? And that is where, because of which the data science has grown so much. The reason is that only, that because we all believe in a community work, right? Now, I am coming to the main point, which is, you know, how on earth you are able to achieve completing the course, okay, as well as solving those problems on Kaggle within 50 days, okay, what was your strategy like? The reason why I'm asking your strategy is, because of your strategy, a lot of other students would be able to get help, right? So can you brief us about what are those steps, or what was your plan like, which you implemented to achieve this result? Can you brief us a little on that?
Yes, sir. First of all, I have, if I complete any one topic in this course, like for example, like a regression topic I have completed. So immediately I used to go to Kaggle. Like it's a wonderful place. We can get plenty of data sets. So I used to problem not only one problem, like 3 to 4 problems. And I never regret doing same kind of problems, sir, because in each and every problem we'll face different challenges.
Correct.
If you overcome that challenges, we can do any problem in the real world.
Right.
So like I was able to work like 4 to 5 hours a day,
Oh,
because it's a pandemic time. It's we are all yeah, in a home. So like 4 to 5 hours, I used to work. I used to work more on practicing, sir. Practice made man perfect, right, sir?
that's
So
correct.
yeah. So I used to practice lots and lots of problems. Like in competitions also, I never mind of getting first place or second place, sir. I think of having experience by solving those problems. And also, if not Kaggle, there are many data hack, machine hack.
UCF Buckledge.
Yeah, there are hackathons like in the machine learning problems.
Right.
So I used to solve them, and solve multiple times, so that we can improve our accuracy of the model. And so like that, I have been solving through the days.
Right. That's great. That's great, Dhanush. So let's say if I tell you today to review this course out of 10, first of all, give a rating out of 10 and then review it in a one sentence, what it would be, right? Based on your experience.
Yeah, to be frank, I would rate 9 out of 10.
Great.
And if you ask me one line review, it's a wonderful course. Like one line review, it's a wonderful course, sir.
That's great. That's great, Dhanush. So now, if I have to ask you, if I tell you, okay, uh, if let's say you are someone who has not been associated with this course, okay, and you are just an outsider. First time you are seeing this, and first time you are watching this, and you're coming across this, right? If you had to review, or if you have to suggest this course to somebody, okay, would you still go ahead and tell that person, okay, yes, this course is good enough or not good enough, bad enough, what it would be for you? Okay, if somebody, a third person comes, okay, third person comes to you and asks you, okay, should I go ahead and do that, what would be your review and suggestion to that person?
Yeah. Definitely, I'll suggest them to opt this course, because it's in the perspective of the beginner learners of the data science. The models are explained in that way, like we are beginners, and it is explained in our perspective, like how to approach a problem, how to solve a problem, step by step manner. It is explained very clearly. So I would definitely suggest him to opt this course.
Right, great. So there is last question, okay. I, as a mentor, as a coach, always want my students to achieve higher feat and higher success in their life. I personally feel that my students should achieve more success than what I was able to achieve. Okay? A lot of my students are there in US. They are pursuing the masters in data science, artificial intelligence now. Who I started with this, right? And probably after that master's degree, they will be, achieving a greater heights, right? They would be going ahead and, working with some of the big companies in the US. Then, as a mentor, it's phenomenal feeling, right? So what's your future plan like? Because I see you have a bright future. Okay, the way you have achieved this, I can say that you will grow tremendously in your life. So what's your plan like? What's your future like? What's your vision like? What do you want to do in next 2 years in this particular space?
First of all, I want to do a freelancing data scientist job, because right now I'm in third year, like till fourth year, or till fourth year, I want to do a freelancing job like in data science. There are many online companies and are also offline companies, and then I want to take my skills. I want to learn more skills by doing this freelancing job, and then
Right.
offer a good service based or a product-based company,
Okay.
and I would I would opt that companies.
Right, right. So thank you so much, Dhanush. I mean, it's been a wonderful feeling to interview someone like you, who had been a very good student. Who have followed all the steps which was given. Made from the free data science space. From that course, achieving and following it religiously. Not a lot of people are able to do that. So that's the point I want to give it to all my students who are part of my free data science course, guys. Even though that course is free, that does not mean it does not have the value. Okay, the value that it provides, the content of the free course is actually part of the mastery course. Okay, so it's not only, because a lot of people think that since it's free, the content value will be very low. No, it's not like that. The purpose of the free data science course specifically is to give you guys an idea and test the waters as to why and how data science works and where do you stand in data science, right? And if you take it, if you neglect it or take it lightly, that will put you off, right? Learn from somebody who utilized the pandemic time to its best effect, and the door for its better future is now opened, since he has learned a lot of things. He has mastered this skill, right? Even though he's a student, even though he's in the third year of his academics, he has a brighter future. He can go ahead and start freelancing from this year onwards, right? With few more experience. Once he makes his skills a little perfect, okay, he can start freelancing, and that will open up huge and plethora of opportunity for him, right? The reason that he was able to do that, because he did it religiously, right? The course that was provided, he managed to complete that within a stipulated time, and he basically practiced it a lot, right? So I would suggest you all to do the exact same thing, which is follow the course perfectly. Even though it's free course, guys, there is no such thing that the value that it provides is low, not at all. The value that you're going to get is 100 300 500x the value that it provides, right? The course, even though it's free, but it's very valuable. So I'd request you all to start with the free course, complete that within a stipulated amount of time, within the time frame, and then look for the mastery. Okay, the investment that you're going to put in is not on something that is perishable. You are investing it on your mind that will give you the benefits and the results the way it has given to Dhanush. Okay, so I request you all to take it seriously and complete the course, because a lot of time what I feel, because I every day on an everyday basis I see the performance of my students. Okay, I see, and I feel that almost 80% of the people, previous to this 90% of the people never used to complete the course, the free course. Okay, can you imagine 1,000 people option, but 900 people never even opened it. That's the worst part. That's the worst part, right? Somebody is offering so much of value, but you are not honoring that. So that's my request. Similar to Dhanush, we have got so much of success stories to share. I'm going to start this. I've started this series, okay, with Dhanush first, and every week I'm going to have a new person in this Hall of Fame series, which I'm going to share it with you to inspire you to take action and to make you feel that yes, it is doable, yes, it is achievable. Only thing you need to have is you need to follow the right process, you need to follow the right path, right plan, and right mentor. So on this note, thank you so much, Dhanush. Congratulations for your future, okay, and I wish you good luck, and I wish you achieve a greater heights in your life. So thank you so much everyone for being with me, and all the best, Dhanush.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Bye. Take care.